my life, I've been sitting and contemplating, waiting, anxiously peeking, perception of these releases, embracing the deeper reasons of timing and perfect season, believing this thing is bigger than faces and sound scan, reaching for the completion of purpose and promised land, watching behind the curtain, for certain the game is hurting, looking for some solution, searching for revolution, like music is the conclusion, refusing to look at life and living for forward movement. Make room, cause we about to start